Already washed it. Sarap. Ayan. Pabilisan na lang to. Celery. Ito, since wala akong green, so this is what I'm gonna do. And you don't need to put a lot of garlic. Ito ang gusto ko, marami. Ito. Yan, nag-boil na siya, oh. Yan, tatlo siya. Parang shredded siya. Shredded talaga. Onion. Yan. Lagay natin to. Gulay. Kahit anong mauna. Ito, then chicken. Yan. Takpan natin for 1 minute. Yan.
Remember earlier I bought this one, the bones, everything, the chicken. So we're gonna use this one and
Take this out. The skin.
soy sauce, any kind of soy sauce, your favorite soy sauce.
Sinok ko siya for 20 to 30 minutes. The noodles, halo na natin. Ako, ang sarap. Parang ako, masarap magluto. Halo na natin sila.
Is it done? Yum, yum, yum.
Easy lang siya. You can make it too. Ito, may customer na ako.
Thanks, Mom.
Ayan. You're welcome,
So
baby.
yum.